Hey there, fellow investors. Welcome back to our channel Investment Edge, where we empower you with the latest market trends and investment opportunities. Today, we're thrilled to share some thrilling insights with all you savvy investors out there. In this video, we'll be immersing ourselves in the world of the stock market to unveil 10 exciting stocks that have caught our attention as potential game changers. But before we proceed, remember, investing always carries risks, so always do your homework and consult a financial advisor. Without further ado, let's dive right into the action. Stocks, also known as shares or equities, represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, which means you own a portion of that company. Stocks are one of the most common forms of investment and play a crucial role in the financial markets. But hold on tight, folks. Before we delve into the exhilarating world of these stocks, don't forget to hit that like button to show your support and make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more thrilling investment insights. Alright, let's get this investment party started. Number 1. XYZ Tech Incorporated, a well-established tech company with a strong track record of innovation and growth. XYZ Tech Incorporated is a well-established technology company with a remarkable track record of innovation and growth. It has earned a strong reputation within the tech industry by consistently delivering cutting-edge products and services. The company's emphasis on research and development has enabled it to stay ahead of the competition and capitalize on emerging opportunities. With a resilient management team and a loyal customer base, XYZ Tech Incorporated has achieved impressive financial performance and has become a preferred choice for investors in the technology sector. Overall, the company's success story showcases its ability to drive innovation and maintain its position as a market leader in the tech industry. Number 2, ABC Semiconductor, a semiconductor manufacturer with products in high demand due to the rise of new technologies. ABC Semiconductor is a leading semiconductor manufacturer experiencing high demand for its products due to the growing adoption of new technologies. As a prominent player in the industry, the company has positioned itself to cater to the increasing needs of various sectors relying on semiconductors for cutting-edge technologies. The rising demand for electronic devices and advancements like IoT, AI, and 5G has driven ABC Semiconductor's growth, making it a prominent choice for investors seeking exposure to the semiconductor market. With its products in high demand and a reputation for quality, ABC Semiconductor remains well positioned for continued success in the semiconductor industry. Number 3, MNO Cloud Services, a cloud computing company providing scalable and efficient solutions. MNO Cloud Services is a cloud computing company that offers scalable and efficient solutions to its customers. Leveraging its expertise in cloud technology, the company provides businesses with the ability to access and manage their data, applications, and resources through remote servers. MNO Cloud Services has positioned itself as a reliable and flexible partner for organizations seeking to optimize their operations, reduce infrastructure costs, and enhance data security. With the increasing adoption of cloud computing in various industries, MNO Cloud Services is well positioned to capitalize on the growing market demand for cloud-based solutions. Its commitment to delivering high-quality services makes it a valuable player in the cloud services sector. Number 4, PQR E-Commerce, a fast-growing e-commerce company with a significant market presence. PQR E-Commerce is a rapidly expanding e-commerce company that has established a notable presence in the market. Leveraging the growing trend of online shopping, the company has experienced substantial growth by providing a wide range of products and services to consumers. With a strong emphasis on customer satisfaction and convenience, PQR E-Commerce has attracted a loyal customer base, contributing to its success in the competitive e-commerce landscape. The company's efficient logistics and user-friendly interface have been instrumental in driving its growth and market share. As consumer preferences continue to shift towards online shopping, PQR E-Commerce remains well positioned to further capitalize on the opportunities in the e-commerce sector. Number 5, DEF Robotics, a robotics firm with promising prospects in automation and artificial intelligence. DEF Robotics is a robotics firm that holds promising prospects in the fields of automation and artificial intelligence. As a leading player in the robotics industry, the company specializes in developing advanced robotic systems that offer innovative solutions for various industries. With a strong focus on automation and artificial intelligence, DEF Robotics aims to enhance productivity and efficiency for businesses across different sectors. The company's cutting-edge technology and research in robotics have garnered attention, positioning it as a significant player in the emerging market of automation and AI. As industries increasingly adopt robotics to streamline processes, DEF Robotics is well positioned to leverage these opportunities for continued growth and success. Number 6, UVW Pharmaceuticals, a pharmaceutical company with a robust pipeline of potential drugs and a history of successful product launches. UVW Pharmaceuticals is a prominent pharmaceutical company with a robust pipeline of potential drugs and a history of successful product launches. With a strong emphasis on research and development, the company continuously explores innovative medical solutions to address various health conditions. UVW Pharmaceuticals has demonstrated a track record of bringing effective medications to the market, earning it a reputation for reliability and quality. As a result of its dedication to advancing medical science, the company holds promising prospects for continued growth and expansion in the pharmaceutical industry. With its focus on improving healthcare outcomes, UVW Pharmaceuticals remains a key player in the field of medicine. Number 7, LMN Renewable Energy, a leading provider of renewable energy solutions, capitalizing on the growing demand for sustainable energy sources. LMN Renewable Energy is a prominent provider of renewable energy solutions, capitalizing on the increasing demand for sustainable energy sources. As a leading player in the renewable energy sector, the company offers a wide range of clean and eco-friendly power generation options, including solar, wind, and hydroelectric solutions. With a strong commitment to environmental sustainability, LMN Renewable Energy has positioned itself as a trusted partner for businesses and governments seeking to transition to renewable energy sources. As the global focus on clean energy intensifies, LMN Renewable Energy is well positioned to play a significant role in shaping the future of sustainable power generation and making a positive impact on the environment. Number 8, RST Financial Services, a well-established financial institution offering a wide range of services, including banking, insurance, and investment products. RST Financial Services is a well-established financial institution that provides a comprehensive range of services, including banking, insurance, and investment products. With a long-standing presence in the financial sector, the company has built a strong reputation for reliability and trustworthiness. RST Financial Services offers diverse solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of individuals, businesses, and organizations. As a one-stop financial hub, the institution serves as a valuable partner for customers seeking secure banking services, comprehensive insurance coverage, and diverse investment opportunities. With its wide array of offerings and a focus on customer satisfaction, RST Financial Services continues to be a prominent player in the competitive financial services industry. Number 9, GHI Consumer Goods, a multinational consumer goods company known for its popular and diverse product portfolio, catering to a broad customer base. GHI Consumer Goods is a multinational company renowned for its extensive and diverse product portfolio catering to a wide-ranging customer base. As a prominent player in the consumer goods industry, the company offers a variety of popular products across different categories. GHI Consumer Goods' commitment to quality and innovation has earned it a loyal customer following worldwide. With its global presence and distribution network, the company efficiently meets the needs of consumers in various regions. Through continuous research and customer feedback, GHI Consumer Goods remains at the forefront of delivering products that resonate with its broad and diverse customer base, establishing itself as a leading name in the consumer goods market. Number 10, JKL Transportation, a logistics and transportation company with a strong network and efficient supply chain operations. JKL Transportation is a logistics and transportation company with a strong network and efficient supply chain operations. As a key player in the transportation industry, the company specializes in providing reliable and timely delivery services for businesses and individuals. With a focus on streamlining logistics processes, JKL Transportation has established a reputation for its efficient operations and dedication to meeting customer demands. The company's robust network enables it to navigate complex routes and handle various transportation needs effectively. Whether it's freight shipping, warehousing, or last-mile delivery, JKL Transportation remains a reliable partner for clients seeking seamless and cost-effective transportation solutions. That wraps up our 10 promising stocks that you should keep an eye on. Remember, stay informed, and always make informed decisions when investing your hard-earned money. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on the hottest investment opportunities, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. And hey, let us know in the comments which stocks have piqued your interest. Thanks for joining us today on this thrilling ride through the stock market. Until next time, happy investing, and may your portfolios thrive.